Right, good morning everyone. This morning we find ourselves at RSPB Ouse Fen. Looks like a lovely nature reserve. It used to be a working quarry, and I think for like the past 23 years the aim is to turn it into like the UK's biggest reed bed nature reserve. Looks absolutely amazing. I've got a couple of friends that visit here who've had some really good results. There's not a cloud in the sky, so that may cause some problems with the photos a little bit later because it's a bit harsh. But I'm hoping we'll get a bit of cloud a little bit later. But either way, do you know what? It's going to be a fantastic walk today. And I've turned up and I can already hear skylark, which is fantastic. So yeah, it's literally so wicked. Let's see what we get today. A little bit different today. I'm going to change the angle of my video. I'm going to make it a little bit wider because obviously a lot of my videos are shot in like a point of view. So I think if I change it to a wider angle, you might get to see a little bit more. We'll see how it looks, and I can compare it to some of my other videos. But it's all a learning process, eh? But yeah, let's crack on and let's find out what we see today. Oh, no, it is. They've got a beautiful song. That's wicked. It's not going to be the greatest shot because it's just blue sky, but I think the exposure was all right there. This is absolutely beautiful. Let me just, obviously we're only at the beginning, right? And it's right. Let me have a look. And this is obviously where we parked. Absolutely great. Let's have a look at a map. Well, a map coming up so we can see where we can walk. Okay, so we're up here. So we've got a big circle right round here, and we've got Crane's Fen. And by the looks of it, we can walk all the way down here as well, on the bridleway. Let's have a wander around and see what we see, yeah? We'll go from there. So many waters just flying around all over the place. Oh wow. And that's just really cool. Like, literally 2 minutes in and you come up to a viewpoint, and it's like I've just been stood at a viewpoint for the last 10 minutes, and I've just been inundated with warblers and buntings. You can just hear them everywhere. It's one literally. Love it. Absolutely love it. But yeah, let's carry on round and see what else we've got. But yeah, amazing. See, the expanse of this, it's just phenomenal. Look, this is all reed beds, look. It just goes on and on. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. And it's places like this which you just can't help but smile as you walk around. And it's just like, yeah, let's carry on. Right, where are you? I can hear you. There you are, there you are. I love it. Let's see if we can get some video footage. I don't know what. Let's see if we can get some footage of this. Wow, that sun's out. Let's change. Just had a few nice. First time I've tried, but just a couple of shots of dragonfly. See how they turned out. Should have really manual focus, but you know what? Just thought I'd wing it. But yeah. Just listen, right? And this is one of the beauties of coming to these nature reserves, right? So just listen. It's just silence. And this is it, isn't it? I think if you look, let's say you do your typical 9 till 5 Monday to Friday. You know, you got all the stress and you worry about going to work, coming home, cooking, looking after your kids if you've got kids. Getting some sleep, going back to work, and just repeating it. Look, it's stressful as hell, let's be honest. And it's like, and I think this is the weekends I really, really look forward to now, since I've started going out and visiting nature reserves and whatnot, because it's impossible not to unwind. And that's the beauty of it, isn't it? It's like, you get to go and see all of these fantastic things and these fantastic birds and wildlife and whatnot, and you're just naturally at peace. You just calm down. So yeah, let's carry on round and see what else we see. But you know what? It's been such a beautiful morning so far. I'm sure we'll see some more stuff. So let's crack on. Oh! We got a kite. It's miles off, but we've got a kite. Is he going to come round? It looks like he's coming closer. He's obviously hunting. Come on, fella, come over this way. He's in the poppy field. Wow. Is that a buzzard? Yes, a buzzard, look at that. Yeah, it's like, just a minute ago, it's like, oh wow, there's a red kite. I don't know, and there's two buzzards. It might be Marsh Harriers, I need to double check, but it's just flying around, hunting, and it's like literally right next to me. I think I misfocused on a couple of them because where they're hunting was around a bush, but it's like literally you concentrate in one area and you turn around and you're missing the action in all the other areas. It's just the way it goes, isn't it? Oh dear. Yeah, so 100% convinced now, not buzzards, Marsh Harriers. Literally just caught the pair of them again. Now it's either a mating pair or there's a juvenile in there. I'll be able to tell when I look at the photos on a big screen. But just playing and doing the typical like food drop. You know, one of them goes down, one of them comes up, kind of thing. Oh, fantastic! I think Marsh Harriers have probably got to be up there now with one of my favourite birds after watching them so much this year. Just fascinating, absolutely fascinating. It's still there. The other one's gone, but the other one's it's still hunting, still looking for food. But yeah, it's wicked. Let's carry on. Oh dear, just sat down for a minute. I was just coming down and I was just about to record a video and then saw a little bird in a bush. Either Dunnock, I'm pretty sure it's a Dunnock, it could be something else though, but you'll see it in the description in a second. But for the first time I've experienced, because as you can see it's an absolutely beautiful day, I've actually experienced heat haze, which, yeah, I had to switch to manual focus. It still doesn't look like it's going to be the best photo, but yeah, heat haze, that's fun. But yeah, absolutely beautiful morning. I think it's coming up to about 9:30 now. But I've just walked all the way around the reserve and I'm going to walk back to the car area, but then I'm going to walk back up. So as you come into the reserve, you can go left or right, and if you go left, you can follow this embankment up, which has got all like these heath bushes. Which I think is going to be loads of opportunities for warblers and whatnot. So before I head home today, I want to go back round and take a wander up there, see if I catch anything else. But yeah, guys, Ouse Fen, fantastic. Highly recommend it. Obviously, look, there's no visitor centre here. There's no toilets or anything, but beautiful day. You could easily spend all day here. But yeah, okay. All right, we're gonna walk back round, see what else we see, and go from there. So just walking back round, and Skylark's again. So we've got a couple of pictures of Skylark with some food in its mouth. But again, heat haze is becoming a real problem. But yeah, there's a couple of usable photos there, so we'll have a look. But I'm just going to walk down, just check this hedgerow. And then there's a car park on the way out, which I'm just going to try and get to a car park and see if I can walk down River Ouse. See if there's anything there. But we're just going to take a wander down here a little bit further, and then we'll head back. But yeah, cool. Right guys, just got back to the car, so I'm probably going to head off now because it's like midday. The light's just not great. It's just so harsh at the moment. I'm not going to really get any good photos of anything else. I might take a wander down the River Ouse, but I'm probably not going to record anything because again, I just don't think it's. I just don't think the light's going to let me. But no, look. As always, thanks so much for following. Ever since like Benton and the Marsh Harrier video that I did last, my subscriber count just keeps growing. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's amazing. The fact that people want to watch and keep coming back, I can't express how much it means. So really, thank you so much. Anyway, look, if you've enjoyed the video today, if you haven't already, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.